Hey sis, so I'm back with hack number three for accounting in your business to keep you from going broke. So as always, we're here again to make sure that we change that statistic that says 97% of Black women-owned businesses don't make it to the 5-year mark or beyond. So let's get right into it. And I know you guys are saying that I'm just telling all my friends businesses, but the names have been changed to protect their identity. So this friend of mine, we're going to call her Monique. She was a force to be reckoned with. She runs a boutique. She curates the most stylish collections, and she still hosts a book club that features books written by Black women authors, which is brilliant. But when it came to her finances, she was avoiding her financial statements like I avoid horror movies. Like I don't watch horror movies. They keep me up at night. I really, this movie is out that I really want to go see Sinners with Michael B. Jordan. I want to go see the movie. I heard it's great, but I don't want to be up at night. So she avoids her financial statements like I avoid watching horror movies. So let me tell you, her concept was that if I don't look at my numbers, they won't look back, right? So she would shove her bank statements in the drawer unopened and pray that the magic money fairies would make everything balance out. She wouldn't look at her financial statements for her business because she didn't want to see what the numbers would tell her. Does this sound familiar? Maybe like you or someone you know, a friend you know? I know because working with entrepreneur companies for over 25 years, I've seen it all, sis. But let me tell you, ignoring your financial statements is like trying to drive with your eyes closed. You're moving, you're going somewhere, but you're headed for a crash. We don't want that for you. So here's the thing, your financial reports are the storyteller of your business. They tell you where you've been, they tell you where you're headed, and they give you the power to take control of your money narrative. There are three main reports. Your income statement, which shows you what's coming in and what's going out. Then you have your balance sheet, which tells you what you own and what you owe. And finally, your cash flow statement, which is the heartbeat of your business. So just thinking about those different items, what's coming in, what money am I making, and what's going out? What am I paying for? That's the income statement. Wouldn't you say that's something very important that you as an entrepreneur needs to know? Then your balance sheet. What do I own and who do I owe? You need to know that as a business owner. And then your cash flow statement. How's my money being used and what money do I have available? You need to know that as a business owner, right? So three very important reports. The benefits by looking at your financial statements regularly, and I advise you do it weekly, you give yourself what I call CEO opportunities. You have the opportunities to catch mistakes, to see where you're headed, and to make informed decisions. You get to know where to invest your time because you can see what's bringing in the most money for you. You get to know what expenses are getting out of hand so you can make changes before it's months later, right? It may be you're using something that you have a cancellation window and you can cancel it or change it before it eats up more of your budget. You get to know when you need to save money or when you can save money. And you also get to see when you can celebrate because your financial report, the story they tell you, it could be a positive story too. It doesn't always have to be a negative story, which is what we fear. So now I know it's easy to avoid numbers, especially when you're juggling a million tasks in your business. You are not alone. We all know someone famous who was wealthy, made a lot of money, but went broke. They too were avoiding looking at their numbers. And I don't want that for you. Taking a couple of minutes each week, just blocking out time to review your statements can make a world of difference in your business. It could be the difference from you staying in business and you going broke. So how about we face those numbers together and take control of our financial future and keep these businesses going and growing? If you are ready to review your financial statements and drive your business forward, drop a thumbs up below. And as always, I need you to do three things for me. One, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel so you get the other hacks I will be dropping soon. Two, share this video with other sisters in businesses that you want to see succeed. And three, if you're interested in hearing the candid, transparent stories of Black women entrepreneurs, women just like you who are building businesses, sharing their challenges and their triumphs, then look for the Women of Color in Business podcast wherever you listen to music and follow the podcast. All right? Be sure to drop any comments or questions below that you have about what this topic covered or any of your county issues. No question is too small or unimportant. If it's a question you have, then you deserve to have an answer to it. So drop it below in the comments and I will be sure to answer your questions. As always, I wish you the very best of joy, health, and wealth. And I need you to know that you deserve to have all three of those without sacrificing any. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Be well.